Imagine a world where joint pain and mobility issues caused by damaged cartilage could be easily repaired, avoiding invasive surgeries. That world might be closer than we think. Welcome to our channel, INNO TRENDS Fact or Fiction. Scientists at Northwestern University have made a groundbreaking discovery that could revolutionize how we treat cartilage injuries. They've developed a new biomaterial that can regenerate damaged cartilage, potentially offering relief to millions suffering from joint pain. Cartilage is the crucial cushion that keeps our bones from grinding against each other, but over time, or due to injury, this spongy tissue can wear down, leading to painful conditions like osteoarthritis. Once damaged, adult human cartilage doesn't regenerate on its own. This means that millions face joint pain and reduced mobility with limited treatment options, often culminating in invasive surgeries like knee replacements. But what if there was a way to encourage cartilage to heal itself, restoring its natural structure and function? Enter the innovative solution, a new biomaterial developed by Northwestern University scientists. This material blends two key components: a peptide that binds to growth factors crucial for cartilage growth, and hyaluronic acid, a substance known for its moisturizing and lubricating properties. So, how does this biomaterial work to repair cartilage? The biomaterial is injected directly into the damaged cartilage. When it contacts the calcium in bones, it forms a rubbery matrix that acts as a scaffold. Chondrocytes, the cells responsible for producing cartilage, begin to grow and fill in the damaged area with new, healthy hyaline cartilage. In tests conducted on sheep, whose joint mechanics are similar to humans, the results were remarkable. Within weeks, the treated joints showed significant improvement, with the newly formed cartilage closely resembling natural tissue. This breakthrough could mean a future where cartilage injuries are easily treated, reducing the need for invasive surgeries and providing long-term relief from joint pain. However, before this treatment can be made available to the public, further research and human trials are necessary. This video is an excerpt from the information posted by Science Alert on August 11, 2024, titled, "New Biomaterial Could Finally Repair Damaged Cartilage in Injured Joints," whose link we left in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please share, click the like button, and subscribe for more videos on the cutting edge of healthcare innovation.